Trump administration's deportation of Venezuelan nationals sparks legal controversy. In a contentious move, the Trump administration recently deported over 200 Venezuelan nationals, alleging their affiliation with the Tren de Aragua gang, despite a federal court order temporarily halting such actions. This incident has ignited a legal debate over the balance of powers and adherence to the rule of law. Invocation of the Alien Enemies Act. On March 15, 2025, President Donald Trump invoked the Alien Enemies Act of 1798, a statute historically utilized during wartime, to authorize the expedited deportation of individuals deemed threats to national security. This marked a rare application of the act, which had not been employed since World War II. Judicial Intervention. In response to the administration's actions, U.S. District Judge James E. Boasberg issued a temporary restraining order on March 15, 2025, aiming to halt the deportations and ensure due process for the affected individuals. Despite this order, deportation flights proceeded, leading to allegations of the administration defying the court's directive. Administration's stance. The White House has denied any wrongdoing, asserting that the deportations were lawful and that the court lacked jurisdiction over presidential decisions concerning national security. Officials argued that once the deportation flights left U.S. airspace, the court's order no longer applied. Legal and public reactions. Legal experts and civil rights organizations have expressed alarm over the administration's actions. Andrew Weissman, former general counsel for the FBI, characterized the potential disregard for a court order as a doomsday scenario, emphasizing the fundamental importance of adherence to judicial rulings in maintaining the rule of law. The American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, has filed a lawsuit seeking clarification on whether the deportations violated the court order and is advocating for the return of individuals deported in contravention of legal directives. International implications. The deported individuals have been transferred to El Salvador, where they are reportedly detained in a high-security facility. This development has raised concerns about the conditions of their confinement and the legal processes, or lack thereof, leading to their deportation. Ongoing legal proceedings. The federal judiciary is currently examining the legality of the administration's actions, with potential implications for the separation of powers and the enforcement of judicial orders. The outcome of this legal scrutiny may set significant precedents regarding the limits of executive authority in matters of national security and immigration. Conclusion. The Trump administration's deportation of Venezuelan nationals, despite a federal court order, has sparked a complex legal debate involving the invocation of historical statutes, the scope of executive power, and the fundamental principles of due process and judicial oversight. As legal proceedings continue, the nation watches closely, recognizing the profound implications for the rule of law and the balance of powers within the U.S. government.